Hey, this is Kevin, Big Bear Performance. This is the you know that we do the LP6 headlights with the brackets for the 2015 to 2020 road glides. We make the bracket for that. We now have made the harness. It plugs right into your existing headlight plug, and these plug right into the LP6 Baja lights. So there's no wiring to be done now. You just plug it into your existing plug it into your headlights, run the 2 wires down to the battery or ground, and that's it, it's done. And makes your LP6 lights work with your CAN buzz system right off the switch on the handlebars. So this is a really good system. It's the shit. $200, they're yours. Save you a bit. It used to take us about 6 hours to make this harness and wire up the lights. Now it's like 5 minutes.